Good afternoon, everybody. It's Lily with Zen Kitty RV Life. Today we are at the Formal Gardens in South Dakota, Rapid City, South Dakota. We're here with our doggies, and Bella is wrapped around my foot there, as you can see. Come on, baby. Come on. There. There's little Bella Mia. We're at the Formal Gardens, catching some shade. Our truck is in the shop. It's the fuel pump. Right, Momo? Gizmo, come here. Gizmo, come here. Say hi to everybody. Hey, say hi. Say hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Momo. Momo. Gizmo. Yeah, you're too excited. You want to run around. But we are at the Formal Gardens today. Dropped our truck off at 11 with the tow truck. And yeah, you're gonna have a lot of shakiness here because I got two dogs on the leash. Just want to share some of the beautiful scenery with you here. Echinacea flowers. We have a big sundial there. Sunflowers. Oh, I love sunflowers. So we're finding our zen today after having a little bit of a oops with our truck, the rig. As I said in my past video yesterday, we couldn't start our truck when we went to leave our campground. So we had to have it towed. Fortunately, Progressive Insurance paid for the towing, so we didn't have to pay. Although there's plenty of people in Rapid City that could have towed us, but they had somebody brought in from Sturgis, but as long as we didn't have to pay out of pocket, okay. So, because we have towing on our insurance policy. And they told us that it is definitely the fuel pump. Take about 3 hours to replace. They're gonna try to get it done today. If they don't get it done today, they're gonna pull the rig out so that we can park in their parking lot overnight, because we told them, we live in this place. This is our house. With the dogs, it's kind of hard to find a motel. I looked online, they said there was Motel 6 here in Rapid City, but I read the reviews and everybody said the air conditioning was busted, and it had been busted for a long time. I'm like, oh, that doesn't sound too good. Let's go look at these sunflowers. So yeah, we're finding the zen. Dan's sitting there under the shady tree over there. Way over there. Sorry, my dogs are jerking me around. Hey, Dan. He's sitting there probably playing a game on his phone. Relaxing. So we just got A&W burgers. Just kind of breakfast and lunch. Shared them with the puppies here. Shared them with my babies. Not the healthiest. But, we're kind of in a jam right now. So we just go with what we got. You like those flowers, Mo? Yeah, don't pee on them, please. You know what those orange flowers are? Those are very pretty. I'm not sure what they are. Anyway, they're at the bottom of this big sunflower line. I love sunflowers. I love to paint them. Love to take photographs of them. Oh, look at the sun shining through them. There we are. And again, there's a giant sundial there. It's a beautiful little park. Got some shade, picnic tables, walkways, water. Way over there you can see there's like a creek. I think it's Rapid Creek. Yeah. It's supposed to have some fame. What, I don't know. Anyway, I just thought I would give you an update. So it looks like we're going to get our truck fixed, and it looks like it's going to be $650 to $700. So we will have to bite the bullet and pay it. Had to take money out of savings, so we're okay. I was worried it was going to be a hell of a lot more. You know. But that's what they quoted us so far, so we shall see. Go take you for a walk down by the water. There's somebody jogging. Yep. Where do you guys want to go? Come on, Bella. Where do you guys want to go? Boy, that water's moving fast. Hold still. You want some shade, huh? You want some shade? No. Gizmo. You're sassy. They got their tongues hanging out. I just gave them water a little while ago. They're just overstimulated, excited by the new place. We're hanging out right now. Gonna get off the sidewalk so this jogger can go by without Mo being such a turd. Gizmo likes to assert his authority. He's half Chihuahua. You can tell. A little stinker. Anyway, oh, look at that water. Moves really fast. It's not too bad out today. So that's another thing in our favor. I try to look on the positive side when I can. Even though I prepare for the worst, I try to look on the good things. It's only about 75 degrees out today, which, you know, that's a perfect summer day, really. Tomorrow it's going to be like 90. So we shall see how things go. But hopefully we'll have our rig back by tonight or tomorrow morning. So we got it in by noon. Oh, you didn't need to see that. I'm sorry. Dog peeing on the grass. Mo, you are really a little patootie, aren't you? There's some more shade. View of the park. This is in Rapid City. Good place to hang out. You can Google it. It's called Founders Park. Or no, Formal Gardens Park. Pardon me. I'm sorry. Oh, you just love that grass, don't you, Bo? Yes. He likes rolling in his grass. Some kids playing at the playground. Nice blue skies. It rained earlier when the guys came in the truck. In the tow truck. It was raining. But as you can see, now we got blue skies, and look at those hills. Look at those beautiful hills in the background with all the pine trees. This really is a pretty city in the summer. It's our new residence, well, Box Elder, which is a suburb. So, look at that water. Well, it looks refreshing, doesn't it? Gonna go sit on that park bench with my babies. Let them cool off. In the shade. Good place to hang out. There's a little Bella Boo. My Bella. Bella the Yorkie Poo and Mo the Mulchie. Yeah, Mulchie, because he's Maltese Chihuahua. Oh, shade. Grass. Yeah, they like to eat their grass. I try to stop them, but it's almost impossible. You know that? If you got a dog, you know what I mean. Hey, look at those rapids. I guess that's what you'd call them, hey? So, I'll let you know when we get the rig back. So, we're stuck in South Dakota, but we're making the most of it, and I'm probably going to have a lemonade, vodka, whatever tonight. I'll buy some lemonade at the store and throw some vodka in it. That's what you do, right? Life gives you lemons, you make a little vodka screwdriver or vodka lemonade. It's Lily saying peace out. I'm headed for that park bench with my pups. I'm gonna sit, read on my Kindle, wait for the call that our dear little leprechaun is all fixed. Our home. This is Zen Kitty RV Life. Have a Zen day. Hope things are going good for you. Bye-bye.